Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by meeting prerequisites, then act. Check your character level and arcane stat. If you lack points, use a 1-hour potion or redistribute gear. Once done, equip a focused build that boosts INT and spell power. Make sure to remove conflicting status effects first. Head straight to the designated shrine or NPC that offers the mark quest and interact to accept. You want that trigger now, because delaying costs, spawn windows, and resource timing that matter later. You now push through the main sequence. Clear each checkpoint quickly, using teleport or dash cooldowns to meet the time window. This maintains mark eligibility. When marker guardians spawn, focus interrupts and dispels. This prevents enrage mechanics and protects the relic spawns. Use high burst rotations to finish adds fast, then gather the 3 relic fragments they drop. Once you have all fragments, approach the altar and combine them. This unlocks the next phase of mark progression and signals readiness for the final ritual. You finish by performing the final ritual. Start channeling at the altar and keep it uninterrupted for 60 seconds, using anti-stun items or a zone shield to prevent cancellations. Once done, check your status menu to confirm the mark applied. Make sure to relog if the UI does not update immediately, because sometimes server-client sync lags. If the process fails or the instance shows corruption, reset the instance and repeat. If the issue persists, collect logs and file a bug report with exact timestamps and steps.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.